Happy New Year. We'll see if Jude will narrate his battery replacement on this Nissan Altima. What are you doing? What kind of car are you working on?
Altima.
Look at that, people. 720. So 7 of 2020 Nissan put a battery in this, not a 2020 Nissan Altima. What year is it? It's an 18, right? So 1920. So 2 years later, the factory battery failed, right? We're gonna say. And then Nissan put another battery in. That's on July 2020, and it's shot again. So I'm scratching my head here. I'm like, it's very possible that low quality, poor quality battery. It's possible that she doesn't drive a lot. Let's see. Let's verify that. How many miles are on the oil change sticker? 62,000. So she's obviously driving it. Does she have a voltage draw? I doubt Nissan missed that. Does she have a bad alternator? I doubt Nissan missed that too. You know what you're doing?
Yeah, I'm just trying to find the fucking.
So 62,000 mile, 18 Altima,
Yep.
third battery. The way it is sometimes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy New Year. It's Monday. We at work. We at work. Womp.